Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin inside your document. Click the Layout tab now. Once there, focus on the Page Setup group and click the small launcher icon in its corner to open detailed settings. You do this because the simple ribbon buttons change the whole document. The launcher gives precise control. Make sure to pick the right selector for applying changes. This choice determines whether you alter the entire document or only a section. Now prepare to target specific pages as we proceed. You insert a section break before and after the pages needing the new orientation. Use Next Page for full page changes or Continuous for inline adjustments. Once the breaks are in place, reopen Page Setup, choose Landscape or Portrait, and critically set Apply to this section. You do this so only the target section rotates, not the whole document. After clicking OK, visually confirm headers and footers, because sections can change their linkage and page numbering behavior. You finish by reviewing headers, footers, and page numbers to ensure continuity. Turn off Link to Previous where you need distinct content. If numbering restarts, open Page Number Format and choose Continue from Previous Section. If a blank page appears, delete the stray section break that often causes it. One key troubleshooting tip: if orientation won't change, reveal formatting marks and confirm section breaks exist and are not inside a table or header. Fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.